Hi guys, welcome to Precious Gift School. Today we are doing home science. We are just cooking. Grade 7 we are cooking chicken. And grade 8 they are cooking fish. And grade 9 are making samosas. So you can come and see what we are doing, and it's great, and we are happy to do this lesson. Thank you. Welcome to Precious Gift. My name is Ethan George. I'm in grade 7. Today we are grilling chicken and grilling vegetables. I am Angelina Rock. I am in grade 8. Today we did fish. We have been cooking fish for the whole day, 2 from 10, and I'm really glad that I've done the cooking. It was really a good experience. Thank you so much.
Hey, my name is Innocent Prince from Precious Gifts, and today has been a wonderful day. We've cooked a lot. We've learned various techniques of cooking, and we hope that we might have more events like this.
Hi there everyone. Hi, my name is Luke. I'm in grade 8. Today we were doing the frying fish. So we did the frying. First we started by steaming the fish, sauteing it, and then frying the fish. And by the conclusion, the fish was successfully cooked, not fried. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Teacher John, Precious Gifts. We just had a project and it was amazing. As you can see, our mouths are shiny. Clear evidence of good work done. Welcome to Precious Gifts. We live, we love, we learn. Thank you.